आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello everyone. So our question is differentiate this function with respect to x if x 1 to infinite. Now if you let x is equal to tan theta, then this function y becomes like what? Y is equal to, we know that this 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sin 2 theta, which means this inverse y is equal to sin inverse sin 2 theta plus this is cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, which means cos inverse cos 2 theta. So this is cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now we know that the theta is what? If x is equal to tan theta, then theta belongs to what? Theta belongs to pi by 4 to pi by 2. So 2 theta is what? 2 theta belongs to what? Pi by 2 to pi. Now in interval pi by 2 to pi, we know that this sin inverse if you draw the graph of sin inverse sin x, like sin inverse sin x, so this function is what? Let's take x is equal to 2 theta. Now let's assume this. If you draw the graph, so graph is something like that. Now this is y and x axis. This is graph. This is y is equal to x line, and this is what? This is what? This is pi by 2, and this is what? This is minus pi by 2. This is what? This is pi by 2, and this is pi. Now we don't want, this graph is what? Y is equal to x, and this line is what? Y is equal to pi minus x in interval pi by 2 to pi. So this becomes, this function y is equal to, looks like what? Y is equal to, this is what? Pi minus x, which means pi minus 2 theta. And also cos inverse cos 2 theta is what? If you draw the graph of cos inverse cos x, see, this is something like that. This is y and x axis. Because this is already in a pi. If you look this graph, this is what? This is a graph. This is what? This is pi. And this is what? This is also pi. Now in interval what? Pi by 2 to pi. Let's say pi by 2 is something where like this is here. So this in interval pi by 2 to pi, the graph is what? Y is equal to x. So this becomes what? Cos 2 theta itself. So y is equal to what? Y is equal to this cos 2 theta, and 2 theta will be cancelled out, and this y is equal to pi. Now if we differentiate this function, so dy by dx is what? 0. So this is our answer. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।